Is a 2020 Ford Mustang Bullitt, a 2021 Dodge Charger wide body Scat Pack, or a 2021 Chevy Camaro 2SS more expensive to insure? Let's find out.
Everything is twofold. It's joy, it's pain on the other hand. What happens when the one that you love is the main cause of your suffering?
What is going on, guys? My name is Austin. Welcome to Gone in 60. So glad to have you guys back on the channel. Thank you guys for all the support on my videos. Today, I want to just do a quick comparison. I have been out in the market looking for a new car. It's been brutal, but we're going to survive. We're going to make it, baby. But today, I want to share with you guys what I've found out when I look at buying a new car and how expensive each car is to insure. So I have quotes for Dodge Charger wide body Scat Pack. I obviously have my Ford Mustang Bullitt, and I also have been looking at a Camaro 2SS or 1SS, 1LE. And so I have the different rates from my insurance company. I want to share with you guys is maybe you're looking to get out there, what kind of options you guys can get and which cars are more expensive or less expensive to insure. So guys, stop the video right now. Leave a comment down below. Which car do you think is the most expensive to insure? All right, guys, so let's jump into least expensive to most expensive. I'll throw all the costs up on the screen, what I pay for my Ford Mustang Bullitt, and we'll just kind of go through the different order just so you guys can kind of see cost comparison. Now, I tried to get similar trim level models that I've been looking at, but guys, it's not going to be 100% apples to apples due to MSRP, due to the crazy car market right now and what people consider cars to be worth. So the most expensive car to insure out of the three is the Ford Mustang Bullitt, 2020 Ford Mustang Bullitt, most expensive to insure out of the three. The second least expensive to insure is the 2021 Dodge Charger wide body Scat Pack. So the 2021 Dodge Charger wide body Scat Pack is $221 less per year to insure compared to my Mustang Bullitt. The least expensive of all the three cars, surprisingly, is actually the Chevy Camaro 2SS. It doesn't beat it by much. It was really close to the wide body Scat Pack, but it is $228 less per year to insure. So you guys can do the math of what that saves you per month compared to my Bullitt. Saves me around $20 per month. So guys, the Ford Mustang is the most expensive car to insure. Now let's talk about why that might be. There's a lot more Ford Mustangs out on the road. There are sometimes issues with Ford Mustang owners, me included, I own one, of getting out of control and wrecking these cars. But there's a longer history of these cars on the road and what people do in them, the joyriding, crashing them, whatever. But there's more records that they can dip into of how people drive these cars. And honestly, a lot of them end up getting into trouble and getting, that's just my assumption, right? There's more of them out on the road. Also, repair costs, I think when you look at all three, when you're only about 20 bucks difference across the three, it's really not that wide of a difference. But they might look into cost of repair, maintenance, things like that. Obviously, your age plays a big factor in it, It kind of surprised me. I thought maybe the wide body would be even cheaper just because it's four-door. But when you're packing almost 500 horsepower, it's hard for the insurance companies to ignore that. So they probably just gather a lot of data from accidents, from tickets, from other things, because their job is to limit their liability. And due to cost, due to how people drive these cars, they attach a certain value to each car based on all the facts that they have, as if the car was totaled, they need to repair it, whatever it might be. They're basically saying, if you buy X car over X car, we're taking a greater risk insuring you for that car for that amount. So guys, that is what I found out across the three different cars. I hope you guys found this interesting. Obviously, if you're out there looking in the market for these cars, it's going to vary based on what you find, your driving record, your insurance company, your age, so many factors, time of year. Insurance quotes change by the day, but as I've been doing my own research and looking at new cars, that's what I found out. I'm Austin with Gone in 60. If you guys like this video, drop me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, drop it a thumbs down. It helps the algorithm. It helps this video get more views, which will allow us to bring awesome content to the channel and just keep growing it. But guys, I love you. Hope you have an awesome day. We'll catch you on the next one.